Yeah, I mean, the way, we think about it is, you're right that, technology can, have many different bad actors, but at the end of the day, I mean, cybersecurity is a great example, right? I think with the advent of anything and everything AI and AI related, naturally the attack vectors are multiple fold of what they were 2 years ago. And so the question is, which side of the equation are you going to bet behind, right? That's the way at least we look at it, is are you using the technology as a force for good, i.e. stopping the attacks from proliferating the network, or are you on the other side? And so with each one of our sectors and the companies that we are looking at is, what is the exponential impact you're going to have? Is it the ability to move goods from point A to point B, which is cheaper, faster, more efficient? Is it looking at buildings, the construction level that's really happening, and how do you offset the carbon emissions? Cybersecurity we've spoken about, health and wellness, and how you're really going to use technology to enable personalized applications of medicines, for example. The pharmaceutical industries, whether it's a good actor or bad actor, is a great debate to be had, but getting preventative medicine is probably the best thing you could ever do. So for us, it's which side of the equation are you wanting to play? There's money to be made on both sides, and if we can have a positive impact along the way, I'm happy to do that.
That's awesome.